Hello everyone, it's Celeste and today we will be doing full Flexi Pro nail tip application. I really don't give myself enough time to talk in these videos. Crystal Clawz Flexi Pro full tips are the best quality and I've tested quite a few brands. Today I'll be showing you how to apply them with rubber base. I've already prepped this nail, be sure to check out the video. Size your tip, make sure that it covers from sidewall to sidewall. Apply rubber base on the inside of your tip. This takes practice. Do not apply extra pressure. You do not want to squish the tip onto the nail. It needs to be a perfect fit. And I flash cure with an LED flashlight before I cure it in my lamp for 30 seconds to make sure it's fully cured. Next thing, file and shape. I just file and shape according to client specifications and make sure there are no ridges. I'm creating a thin slip layer. Make sure that you cover the entire area. I like to go in with my detail liner. It allows me to get as close to the cuticle as possible. Next, I will apply more product onto the slip layer, not curing it, and you can literally see the product leveling out. This is a self-leveling product and does all the work for you. You simply need to guide the product gently where you want it. It's so easy to work with. Again, I hope you guys noticed, no primers, no bonders needed with this product whatsoever, saving you time and money. Once you've cured it, you spray it with sanitizer and wipe it dry. Again, it's not necessary to buff, but I am a perfectionist like that, so I check for low spots and high spots, clean it, wipe it, and there you go, a perfectly built nail. I overlaid the Flexi Pro with rubber base, but it's not necessary. I literally have clients that wear Flexi Pros and then gel polish. It's strong enough. Depending on the length of the nail, I'd say it depends whether I will give it an overlay with a bolder product. I'm applying top coat here to the finished nail and cuticle oil for rehydration. It's my son's hands. And step 19, guys, like and subscribe please. Questions and answers in the comments and look out for our next video.